It's so funny.
They are.
I already did my concert.
Because he is my midnight kiss. He is my midnight kiss. It is a corn snake.
Corn snake?
There you go. So we'll just crawl over here. So it's really cool. This is the one you'd find like out in the wild. Then all these other ones are ones that are like albino or.
Can you explain again what kind of snake is
It's
that?
a corn snake.
Please.
So these guys were actually thought to be the first pet snake in America because they're so nice and so commonly found around people.
Wow.
But they're like a free pest control. So they eat like mice and rats and crows and stuff like that.
Crows?
Yep, they eat baby ones, but yeah.
Oh.
So they have really big belly scales. They can climb straight up trees to get into bird nests and all that kind of fun stuff.
Wow,
So,
that was fun, huh?
are these one from Idaho or?
No, these guys are found in the southeastern United States, down into Florida, as far west as Texas, and as far north as parts of Wyoming.
Wow.
So that whole chunk of the southeastern.
That ghost snake.
What do you
I
have
feel
there?
it. This is
Oh, you have something right there. You have something right there. It's coming. Saca la mano.
I'll leave it.
Oh, you're
No,
okay.
you're fine. You're
He's
fine.
coming in there.
You're
okay.
fine.
It's just going around.
Yeah, his head's coming back this way.
Maybe it's cold, huh?
Kind of matches your jacket a little bit.
Yeah.
Turn
Do you
around.
turn around so I can? Yeah, right here.
So if you do like a birthday party, how do you do it? Do we come here?
Oh, we have two different options. You can come here and we bring out tables and everything, and we take care of all the, basically the whole party. You just bring the people and food. But it's basically.
Oh, it's warm. I like it. Hi, friend. You are corn snake.
Yep.
Nice to meet you.
Yep. Her name is Candy.
Candy.
Yep, so
Hi, Candy.
So she's Candy Corn.
Yeah,
She got
candy
named on
corn.
Halloween.
I thought she would be cold, but she's warm.
Yeah, well, they're warm-blooded, so they're cold-blooded, sorry, so they kind of rely on their surroundings to make sure they're nice and warm.
You can't camouflage on me because I'm on black.
Yep, you could hide in Johnny's coat, but
Yeah, not on me. Nina, you know what?
do you want to hold Snake?
She's so
No.
friendly. Look,
Look, it's a friendly snake.
friendly.
You can pet it if you want.
Look,
You, don't
You
have
want to
hold
pet it?
Yeah, you can pet it. You don't
Stand
need to hold
up.
it.
Stand up.
See, just touch.
You want to pet it?
Yeah, right there. You're fine.
The same
You're
thing,
fine.
and I hold
No,
the
you're
same
fine.
thing my dog
A snake?
does to me.
She's friendly. Yep. It's beautiful color. I never saw.
Wow, look at that one.
Bradley.
Oh, look at that.
You got him?
Nice.
Aww. It's going around you. Oops, I'm sorry.
Ah, she tickled me. It's going around my neck.
No, Bradley. Don't tease your mom. Bye, guys. Thanks for coming by. the name ball python. When they get scared, they'll actually curl up into a tight little ball.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
They won't bite, right?
No,
Why are you so scared? Huh?
Can I?
some people are scared of them. You gotta ease her into it, dude.
We're gonna.
Believe me, I know.
So the corn snake, how often do they eat?
Most snakes eat about once a week to once a month.
Okay.
But it's really cool about the ball pythons. They can go close to 6 months to a year without eating.
Wow.
Really?
Yeah. What's that?
I wish I can be that way.
Another one. Yeah, 1 second, okay?
You want to
Okay,
hold it?
so
Yeah.
Johnny. It's weird. Nena don't want to hold any.
Yeah, she doesn't want to hold any snakes.
She has them at our house.
Yeah, I don't understand
Oh,
what.
make for a tiny little bit, but she was like,
Yeah, she did like.
she was very iffy. But
I
she
think
was.
she helped Fluffy. I mean, not Fluffy. That was a big one. Harry, I think.
Oh. Do you
So-
want it over your
In
neck?
your neck?
There you go for it.
Yeah. You are so brave. When I was your age, Johnny, I was so afraid.
I smell something. Like a wood or something, I don't know.
All the cages are made of wood.
No, but it's,
Yeah.
you have like a marker smell?
No.
Once when I was done with fishing,
Rabbits still on okay?
once when I was done with
No,
fishing,
but doesn't
Ronnie, turn around.
Yeah. Okay, well then good.
I don't know what it is.
Wait, wait,
The
wait.
bathroom, we have a
Right there.
Sensi in the bathroom.
Maybe that's what it is. Because I'm like, I don't think the
Levanta la cabeza.
Thank you very much.
I'm like, I don't think the reptiles will be.
What was that?
That took work.
You know, I had a volunteer who was doing like community service for a while, and he liked to build stuff. So like, you know what? Let's build some cages.
That was nice.
So yeah, we knocked them out in just a couple days too. It was cool.
Hey, wow, that's pretty good.
So one of these, I mean, you could just.
Yeah, they eat once a week. Corn snakes do poop a lot more than others.
This is so fun. I can feel it wrapping around my.
Yeah, so they do that. So in case this side falls, they have this part to hold on to. Because the crested, you gotta feed them every couple days, or every day to every couple days. And,
Yeah.
these guys only eat once a week to once every 2 weeks. And you spray them like maybe once a month.
Where do you
just to
get their
make sure.
food from?
We breed it here in our shop, or you can just get it.
The tarantulas there. I mean, he wanted to have one when he was younger, and I was like, you need to grow a little bit more for that.
Do you want to hold one? It's pretty
Yay,
cool,
you're
huh?
getting over your fear of grabbing a snake. Good job. Good
She's not so
job.
bad. Here, I'm gonna go this side, okay? And she'll wrap her tail around you a little bit. Oh, are you gonna hold that part? Here, we'll put this on you. There you go. No. Pretty cool, huh?
So how you found out that
can I hold a bigger snake?
Yeah, we can get that big yellow one back out.
Okay.
Put this guy away first.
Hang out. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Hi. Hi. Hi.
You want to hold this one?
Pretty bird. Yeah. Good girl.
Over your shoulders. Oh, there
Oh
you go.
my gosh.
Oh, that one's big, huh?
Ariel.
Ariel.
The parrot is talking. Did you see that?
What's her name?
It's talk. It's talk already. Ariel. 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 Ariel.
I'll do it. I'll do it in a second. You're good. Thank you, though.
Ariel. 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 Ariel.
So it's funny because like,
Always have to.
well, how come she's in there and she's in there?
So we did that to make more room so it wasn't so cluttered over here. And then we had one of our monitors pass away. That was in this one. And then Floyd passed away in there. And I hate having empty enclosures, so I just put the bits in there. And it gets them used to being around people, but they can still have their own She's just kind of idling it. So.
I thought we were.
No, we are not.
But no, he's kind of coming around. He's still a little grumpy. Isn't
Chevy?
No, it's dancing around.
They're both particular.
¿Quiere que la tenga?
The other one is the kind you find out in the wild. It's different genetics.
I mean, the bigger the snakes are, the more I like.
But yeah, they're the same
The more
kind.
you like them, the bigger they are.
Yeah, I don't know the world in breed or anything.
Just that when they're big, they could really squeeze you.
Yeah, they're close to the same size, so I'm not worried about her like squishing her or anything. I couldn't put like her and this one together because she could easily squish her.
Would they try and do what they're doing? And but they just not switch it?
Yeah, that's just where they're sitting on that.
Like one of them would not.
It wouldn't try and eat it; it would just sit on it and squish it. On accident. Absolutely.
Yeah.
King snakes, any snake over a king, they actually.
It was kissing you?
Yeah, I feel something in my cheek.
Wooden box,
She's
It was,
kissing me.
it was tasting him, smelling
Tasting.
him.
Oh, sorry.
This guy tastes good. Maybe I will bite him.
Anyway, he's looking, because they have a company that provides them with caregivers, and they don't have, they're understaffed.